Hi everyone, I'm going to take you through a really quick tutorial on how to do the stitch pattern used in the Loop-de-Loop Mittens. It's a totally free pattern. You can find it on KnitPicks. I'll link to it below, but it's a really fun pattern and it allowed me to use a mini skein of Koigu's painter's palette that I've never used before, but I just loved this color combination and this really fun stitch pattern. To make a small circumference item, I'm using the magic loop method. I'll link to a tutorial for that below, but that's kind of how I like to do my short circumference, small circumference projects like socks and mittens. So row one of this stitch pattern, we're going to we're going to go over two and down five. So the second stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to insert the tip of the right hand needle into the center of that stitch. We will pull out the loop. And then you want to make sure to leave it rather loose. You don't want to pull that too tight, and you're going to knit 3. And then I use my thumb to, just kind of hold those stitches on the needle in place. And you need to put the tip of the right hand needle right back through the same stitch where you pulled out that first loop. And you're going to pull out another loop. And there you have it. You have these two elongated stitches in a V-neck, not a V-neck, a V-shaped pattern. And then we're just going to repeat that. It's a purl 1 through the back loop, and then 2 over 5 down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the right hand needle through the center of that stitch and pull out a loop. Knit 3, again, just kind of holding it a little loosely. And then I put my thumb on those stitches and I insert the right hand needle back through the center of that same stitch and I pull out another loop. And it's this V pattern with those two elongated stitches. Purl 1 through the back loop. We're going to maintain that purl 1 through the back loop throughout this entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to insert the right hand needle through the center of that stitch and pull out a loop. Knit 3. And then insert the needle through the same stitch and pull out another loop. All right, the second row of this pattern is purl 1 through the back loop. Again, just maintaining those. We're going to slip 1, knit 3, and then slip 1. And repeat that. Purl 1 through the back loop, slip 1, knit 3, and then slip 1. Purl 1 through the back loop, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1. All right, the third row of this stitch pattern, again, purling 1 through the back loop. And then we want to knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK. So slip the next 2 stitches and knit those 2 together. And repeat that. Purl 1 through the back loop, knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK. Purl 1 through the back loop, knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK. And then the next 3 rows of this pattern, right, rows 4, 5, and 6, they're all the same. We purl 1 through the back loop like we have been, knit 3. So that's purl 1 through the back loop, knit 3. Purl 1 through the back loop, knit 3. And like I said, those 3 rows are the same. And then you switch to a different color and you repeat those same 6 rows all the way around. And like I said, it just created this super fun stitch pattern. Um, and I thought it really highlighted this fun yarn that I had. Thanks for watching.